Hi, I'm Dr. Tanya Judge and I'm a plastic surgeon here in California. Today we're going to tell you the story of two of my patients, a mom and a daughter, who underwent bariatric surgery to lose a lot of weight together collectively, supportively, and then they had all this excess tissue that needed to be addressed. And we did essentially tummy tucks for both of them in order to help them make them feel more comfortable in their bodies through all the changes that they've been through. Take a look at their stories and get to know them a little bit more as I have. You'll see how wonderful they are as persons and as patients.
I can't wait. We're headed for such beautiful journeys. I don't feel 60. I feel more like 40 now. I come in my house with a strut now. I feel fantastic. I came to 2011 when I realized that my heart was healed now, but now my body needed healing. I wanted to be healthy enough to stay here on earth, to enjoy my life with them and my grandchildren and my husband.
It was never about, fitting in cute clothes or anything like that. It was just being confident and happy with our own self. She speaks at a lot of women's events. I have an important job, and it was being comfortable in those roles that we play in and that we can impact others. When I'm giving a meeting, I want to be confident that I'm to the audience that I'm speaking to. When she's up there preaching or doing a women's conference or anywhere, she wants to have that confidence to impact lives. And we just weren't happy with it. We weren't content with the way we looked.
Thanks for joining us for another great set of patient stories. Patients that undergo massive weight loss are healthier. The weight loss definitely helps with overall well-being, but it can leave patients with so much skin and feeling very self-conscious about themselves. And so at Tri-Valley Plastic Surgery, we feel that the weight loss is only part of the journey, and we're glad we can help take people all the way to where they want to be.
It was just something that we knew it was time to do. It was time, something to reward ourselves for the hard work that we put forth, 7 years ago. And, for me, it was, let's get rid of that reminder of who we used to be.
So I've gotten to know both Christel and Linda, daughter and mom, over the course of these past months, and it's been so incredible to listen to their journey, sort of the impetus for why they decided to go through with surgery and the life-changing decisions they ended up making. I think the most heartwarming thing that I have heard so far has been Linda, soon after surgery, and she was all bandaged up, and her husband told her that he was so incredibly proud of her and how beautiful she looked, and he just wanted to dance with her in their kitchen. And he put on a song of theirs, and she's standing there in her red robe, and they are slow dancing at the slowest pace possible. But it's just one of these moments after surgery which really reaffirm why we do what we do. The whole reason is to make you feel comfortable in your body.
I'm telling you the truth. With her, it's really about caring. What do you need for your life to make you happy? What do you need? How can I help you feel better about yourself? The whole experience has been like that.
To see her walk in the room and to see this totally different person, how small she was, and she was no longer carrying that weight around, and knowing how much it impacted her. She had back issues and she had pain throughout her body for years. And to hear her now and to see her go now out the door, and she goes out, her and her father go out probably more than I do, but to see that brings joy to my life, that nothing's stopping her now. From the day I sat in this room and met with her, and she was talking about the procedure and making sure that I was doing it for the right reasons. What is it that I wanted for myself? All the way up to the day of surgery. She had met me there in the room and had a big smile and said, "All right, are you ready for this?" And absolutely. I had so much peace. I was so ready for that surgery that day. It was no fear whatsoever. She had a confidence on her face, so I was confident that everything was going to go well. And she was there when I woke up and said, "Surgery went great, you look great, everything went according to how it was supposed to," and came to visit her for our follow-up visits after that, and got to meet with her today, and she just says, "Wow, you know, you look awesome." So it was really nice to hear that. It was amazing to work with Dr. Joy.
With me, because I work with so many women, I formed sisterhoods. So immediately I felt like she was my sister. I just know that she's a beautiful woman that I formed a sisterhood with. She has impacted my life forever. I wish I could take her home with me every day and just sit and talk with her. But how many women is she helping, encouraging, and influencing? She's got a talent and a purpose in life to change lives, to make them feel good about themselves, like I have a purpose. She will be a lifetime influence in my life forever.
But I've got just buckets of confidence now after it, and at work, in life, at church, and this was something that I felt that I need to make a change for myself. And you know, I took it to prayer first, and I got confirmation, and I proceeded forward, and I have peace today, and I'm excited. I don't know what's in store, but I know it's all good things.
We're getting ready for an exciting journey together, and God's been preparing us all along for this time and season.